This video is going to describe the contents of the package called Budgeting and Cash Flow. On the screen you see the actual package, the contents of the package. There are 7 files there. When the teacher downloads the entire package, the first file that they should look at and read is this one called Introduction for the Teacher. And all this does here is this file explains the entire assignment, the contents and what's included, and how to best approach the entire lesson. So it's just for the teacher's use, this first file. This file here is called the teacher lecture. This is the actual lecture that the teacher will deliver, and this is the teacher's reference. So here's the entire lecture with all the required information, and here's the actual spreadsheet that will be produced by the student during the lecture, and then this entire spreadsheet will also be used for the assignment. So there's a step-by-step, easy, step-by-step instructions for the lecture and how to construct the spreadsheet template that you see here in the lecture for the assignment. So this is the teacher's reference. Now this lesson can be delivered online or in a physical setting. And as the lesson's being delivered, the student will also have a corresponding student handout that follows along with the lecture. Now you can see the student handout follows exactly the teacher lecture notes, and as the teacher lectures via online or physical setting, the student will fill in the missing information from the lecture. And then this particular document, once completed, will be used as a reference for the assignment. And of course, it will be used as a reference to create the original spreadsheet template, budget cash flow template here, as you see. So the teacher will read the introductory notes. They will deliver the lesson. The student will follow along with the handout. Now the rest of the files correspond to the actual assignment and the answer keys to the assignment. So here is the actual assignment that will be given to the student after the lesson has been given. So this file is the actual assignment. So this will be given to the student through whatever means, via online or in a physical setting. And the students will use their notes to work through the assignment. And then what you have here is the actual spreadsheet answer key. So this is what it would look like when the assignment is completed. If the student has followed the instructions, this is their completed assignment. This is the answer key. This is for the teacher's reference. And note, the budget only does the first 3 months just to save time, but it could be done for 12 months, and that's up to the teacher's discretion. So I've given the teacher the answer key to the assignment, completed answer key. You're also going to see another spreadsheet that says Budget Cash Flow Original. And the purpose of this, again, is for the teacher's reference. Now this is what the student is going to create via the lesson given by the teacher through their student handout. So they're going to do this from scratch, or the teacher will have the option to have the student download this because it's quite comprehensive. It'll be based on the teacher's discretion. So the student can create this from scratch, or they can download it and then fill in the required formulas for the spreadsheet via the teacher lecture and their student notes. So this again is for the teacher's reference. So quickly, once again, the teacher will start with their lecture. The students will follow along with their handout. They will do the assignment. Here's the spreadsheet answer key for the assignment. And there's also an answer key in Word, because once the student has finished the spreadsheet and has all the numbers calculated, there are certain questions that they're going to have to answer in relation to the completed spreadsheet. So I give the teacher the answer key as well to those answers. So a nice lesson to teach cash flow and budgeting from a business perspective. And Realistically, this can also be converted through editing for just a personal budget for the student.